Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So for some reason I lost the recording for the first time I recorded this. So this video we're going to work on a stat display. It may not look the most, the nicest thing in the world, but it will do for now. We will have a future video on UI improvement, but for now it will be alright. So we're going to go into our main screen. We're going to click add. Click on the add text label. We're going to call this point display. We're going to bring it down here in line with this. Set the size to, I'm going to set the size to 0.1, 0, 0.1, 0. Bring that out a little bit longer. Set the background to 0, 32, 115. No. I'll go to my open image. Copy this. Paste it into there, like that. That's a nice little thing there. Now I'm going to go to my text color, make this white, set this to scale, then I'm just going to call this X points, and then I'm going to set this to bold as well. Awesome. Now I'm going to add in a UI corner, and then this will just make it look nicer. I'm going to set this to 1, 0 for the scale. Oh no, I'm going to set the scale to 0.1, that looks better. Then I'm going to add in a local script, and we're going to say local, and then we're going to say player equals game.players.localPlayer. This is getting the player. And we'll say local, and then here we're going to have leader stats equals player colon wait for child, leader stats, all lowercase. They'll say local points. Actually, no. Here we'll just say local local x equals leader stat. Leader stats colon find. I've turned on caps lock. Find first child. Then this will be points. The reason we're calling this x and not points is just because here we've got x points. So it's just another name for the variable. Here we're going to make an infinite loop by saying while wait, and then the brackets, then do, and then we'll say script.parent.text equals x dot value dot and then points. This is basically just going to set the text to be whatever this value is here to that, and then add points to it. Now if we were to test this, I know that's very quick, it's because I've got to go do something after this video. And as you can see, it works. And we're going to get quite a compact little space here, but we'll fix that another time, as I said at the beginning of the video. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm now going to call it. What should I call it? I'm going to call, this one will be gems display. So I just call it gem. This is going to be here, we're going to set this to gems, and then this will be gems. Close off the script. For the position, I'm going to set this to be 4, 5. Actually no, 6, 7 I'm going to set it to. 6, 7, 5 there. Adding a 110 difference each time. And then that's already set. Now I'm going to duplicate the point display again. This one's going to be coin display. And then this I'm going to minus from the Y position scale 110. So this will be 4, 5, 5. I'm also just going to quickly go and grab this open button and just drag it over there for now. Come back to that later. Now I'm going to go here, change this to coins, and this to coins. And now I'm going to duplicate this one last time for rebirths, and then this will be 355. No, it'll be 345, sorry. And that's it, and then change this to rebirth display. This will be rebirths, and this will be rebirths. And this little help button over here, I'm going to drag and bring it down here. Oh, up here, sorry. Now if I run this, it should all work. I know it's not going to look the best, As you can see, it all works. I know it's not going to work the best in the world, but it'll do. So yeah, we'll improve all the UI in the future video. Maybe make it all more compact so it's not as big. But that's really it for this video. So thanks for watching, I suppose. Like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.